split 2 bites in there. Here. One more. There you go.
No.
You know, let me get you paper to cut because
No.
there's yogurt on the inside of that.
So.
Should I draw some lines on there for you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me touch on. That's the one. Okay? What's the end?
I'm going to make what's called a diagonal line from one corner to the other corner. If you cut that, actually, Dave, you know what we should do with Tyler is make snowflakes. Like folded paper a bunch of times.
No. So that we should make triangles.
Here. It's like you're making a triangle right now.
For a boat.